Hello everyone, my name is Beastie Eye, and welcome back to a brand new video. For today, I will be playing Sleeping Dogs, and this, I think I'm probably going to do a series of. I'm kind of bad at it.
I'm not fucking blind. Relax, old boy. We're on the same side, but the other get you know. Alright, you move on. Yeah, we got the money. Yeah. 揾人截住佢啦。細路唔好亂嚟啊！ Look, I can get you 3-4 keys a week if you want. Goddamn. What? My shit's not good enough for you? 喂，發生咩事啊？咩啊？邊撚過你？停手！咪喐！Calm, my friend. You crazy? Maybe we can sort something out, huh? 你好我啊！你知唔知我係邊個啊？再我勁冇邊度得啦！截住佢！好傷害我啊！Fucking hell! Don't do it, man! Don't do it! Let's go! Shit!
Oh yeah, by the way, you guys should try this out. This is kind of like GTA, but like here in Japan.
You see anyone? I think that I'm a fool! Crazy fuck! Hurry up! Shit! Stay with me! Are you crazy? Keep moving! Keep going! Hold on! Hold on! You're not hitting me! Hold on! Look at these guys! Son of a bitch! Get out, get out! Fuck!
Oh god.
警察，喂，我，而家要追過你。我見 person 都有計，唔使諗啦，喺個監倉裏面慢慢反正啦。而家唔係遲啲叫你講，除非你自己想講，但係你所講嘅嘢，我會用紙同筆記低，變咗成為呈堂證供，你明白？
Yep. That's the beginning.
Hey man, I'll tweet next week. How can I buy? Okay? Wait. Shit. It's Jackie from Old Prosperity, man.
Shit, Jackie, man.
It is you. I can't fucking believe it. What are you doing here? When did you get back? Wait. You look like shit.
Fuck you. We got 15 years of doing that. We're not kids anymore.
Whatever, man. Ask anyone. Jackie Ma still looks good.
Jackie Ma is still the same old. Good to see you.
What the fuck? They finally deport your ass from the United States?
It's mutual. Tell him I came home anyway.
Yeah. Lock up. Home sweet home. So what they get you on?
Nothing that'll stick.
Huh. Well, don't let them pin any extra shit on you. Fuckers will try, let me tell you. Because they hear you from Old Prosperity, happens all the time.
Hey, so you still in touch with any of the guys from there?
Few, you know, kind of go their separate ways, but you remember Winston? He's moved all the way up to Grand Pole in the Sun On Yi. Got a couple of things going with him right now, matter of fact.
Huh. Red Pole and the Sun On Yi. Shit, dog guys always said he'd be running the neighborhood.
Oh, Dog Eyes is a rat pole too. Still a total poke guy. The one who got Winston in. We were pretty tight back then, but now. Hey, wasn't Dog Eyes? It was just.
Yeah, it was a long time ago.
Hey, remember when we were kids and you stabbed Dog Eyes with a pen? You totally saved my ass that day. Oh man, I gotta tell Winston that story. You'll fucking love it. Man, Wade fucking Shen in the flesh. Can't believe it. Looks like I'm out of here.
Hey, Jackie. So look, if you and Winston ever need help with any of that shit you got going on,
Of course, man. Look me up when you get out. Just be like old times.
Seems that the evidence against you has failed to appear. How do you explain that? You must be a very dangerous man, Wei Shen. That is exactly what we want people to think. I trust that my men weren't too rough on you, officer.
might ask them the same question, sir. Those guys are out of shape. They paid off. I made contact with Jackie Ma. I'm in.
Good work. Use him to get close to Winston Chu. Do whatever it takes. Raymond here will be your handler. You'll report everything through him.
Our intel suggests that Winston is looking for muscle. You need to find a way to make him trust you.
Done.
Not in Hong Kong. American gangs, even Asian ones, don't compare to the triads. Sun On Yi is the most powerful
Look,
gang.
Raven. Your name's Raven, right?
Yes.
I grew up with these guys. I know who they are, what they are. All the intel reports in the world won't give you that.
We want the Red Bulls, the lieutenants like Winston, all of them. And most of them, Dragon.
Candidly, Wade, previous attempts to get close to him haven't turned out. We don't have much to go on. That's why you're here. I'm hoping that you can bring something more to our investigation.
I understand, sir. Look, the sooner I'm on the street, the sooner I can start.
Raymond will be in touch. Oh, and Wade, good luck out there.
I won't really need luck that much.
Respectfully, sir. Are you sure about him? He'll be under extreme stress maybe for a very long time. Now, I'm not sure he has the discipline to hold up. According to the file, he has a history of extreme behavior.
Yes, an astonishing number of convictions.
He obviously blames the twice for what happened to his family. He can turn into an attack.
Raymond, Wei Shen is perfect for this job.
Yeah.
Wait, Shen? Man, this is going to be great.
Thanks again, Jackie. I appreciate the intro.
No problem, man. By the way, you know I tried looking you up a few years back, but I couldn't find shit. Yeah, internet in America.
I think they're getting it next year.
Guess you were in prison or something. Come on, let's get out of here. Still getting used to being back, huh?
Yeah. So Winston's the red phone now?
All this territory is Winston. The Dog Eyes is pushing in.
If they're both red folks, shouldn't they be on the same side?
Should be. Dog Eyes always was an asshole. Turns out, he's a pretty asshole too. One thing, when we get to Winston's, let me do the introductions. I'm really distrustful of new faces right now.
It's wild and paranoid.
Sun On Yi had a rat. Caught out here, they didn't let him have a quick death. Made it real slow and painful. Hey, Jumei, how are you, baby?
Jackie, you know my parents don't want you to talk to me.
Parents don't even know me. Once we get to know each other, they'll love me.
circles, running in circles.
Kidding me? Yeah, alright. Come the fuck on. Are you done? I'm still here. Come and get me.
Yay, that took a while.
Damn, Wayne. What they do to you in America, man?
That look nasty. You okay?
Yeah, I'm okay. Bunch of fucking assholes. So, everything's cool? You're welcome anyway. Come on, Jackie.
Let's go see Winston.
Here we are. Winston's mom owns the restaurant. Whoa! Where the fuck do you think you're going? Relax, man. This is Wade. Wade Shen. I told you about him, remember? Fuck. We can't keep track of your bullshit friends, Jackie. No outsider. He's not an outsider. He's from old prosperity. Like us, Hoochie all day. Come on. Wade's old school, you know? I grew up with the guy. Old prosperity. Venga, no.
I've been on vacation. Jackie said you were looking for me.
Oh, shit. No. You should have seen him, Winston. Wade just beat up like 10 of the dog guys in the market by himself. Man.
They attacked us. Seems to be you some better help.
Oh, yeah, huh?
Winston, I don't like this cocky fucker.
Wait a minute. I do remember you. You had a sister, right, Maya?
Yeah, me.
Shit. I remember her. Her old dog eyes. No offense. Tell me something about her. Where's she now?
She's dead.
Sorry. Oh, easy. So, 10 guys, huh? You feel us? This is crazy.
Try kicking.
We'll see. Come on. You know that problem we got in the market? Why don't you take Wade? Jack. All right.
I just have to survive for a certain amount of time.
So you're the tough guy that said you must not. You like that? Hey, think you can fight? How about that? See that? Come on, boy. Ah, shit, huh? Let's see what happens. Shit gets real. Alright, I'm gonna beat you and you're gonna take it. Wipe that smile off your face.
I have to survive. Oh, you're dumb. Oh, you guys suck. Man, you missed.
Hello, boys.
And then he still hits me.
Hey,
Boss, we were just leaving. Hello.
And it was just getting interesting, too. Winston, my old friend. So good to see you. How's your family, huh?
What do you want, dog eyes?
Oh, Winston, wait. Brother, I just came to talk to you, man. For all time's sake. Let's work something out here, okay? We can share the night market, huh? We're both Song Yi, both grown men. We shouldn't be fighting like children. Hey, who's the new blood?
Sway. You remember Mimi Shen? Back when you first started getting girls from Big Smiley.
Oh, Mimi. Oh, yeah. First girl ever sucked my cock. Yeah, so what?
Wait,
And I was the first guy who ever stabbed you. Remember me now?
Whoa, wait, what the fuck, man? Seriously, man? I apologize. I'm really sorry your sister blew me.
the night market is mine, dog eyes. You got seal on the warehouse. That was the deal. So stay the fuck out.
Hey, tell your sister give me a call, huh? I wouldn't mind giving her a mouthful.
He hasn't changed.
Yeah, he is. He used to be my friend. Jack, you two go to the night market. You make sure people understand that I'm in control, not dog eyes. Got it? Got it, boss. Hold on tight. And you fucked up anybody who tries to get in your way. I want to send a fucking message.
Whoa. Well then.
Sweet easy, no problem. You just have to be strong. That's what we respect.
I don't understand this.
You mentioned your sister back there.
Amy? Yeah, she me years ago now. After we moved to the States and tried to kick that shit butt.
That sucks. She was, really alive.
Oh, I
Mother
need
thought
this.
maybe a new city, new country. Look,
Thanks. Hope you enjoyed it as much as we did.
Once you start on that shit, it's hard to
Increased
stop
melee damage.
for anybody.
yes, she started.
Oh, man. And it was dog eyes they got her?
Basic food regeneration.
I put in more noodles. Just for you.
Yep. Fuck dog eyes.
Yo, Winston?
No, you?
Shit, Wade. Boss.
Now I have health regeneration.
You're my best friend, man. It means more than a boss, you know? Hey, you want movies too? Just come on, movie. Hey, you want food? Joey Kwan sells pirate DVDs. Let's start with him.
Hey, all friends, how's you?
Hey, little brother, you work for Winston.
I understand. How can I help?
Winston runs this place, and if you don't want trouble, you pay. Period.
Of course, no problem. Need anything? Just come ask. This is gonna piss dog eyes off. At some point, Winston and dog eyes are gonna clash, man. Get this. Winston versus dog eyes.
Freaking bashed your head and you're still up. Get out of here. Give me this weapon. This game is actually kind of fun.
Collecting for Winston.
Winston? Dog eyes said he's in trust here.
You're here to clarify. What? You want to be the guy we use to clear up the confusion?
I'm not afraid, you guys.
Be a tough guy.
Boy! Do that! I will pay.
I'm glad I can make you see reason.
Take the money. Dog eye won't be happy.
I don't care about dog eyes. I need to use Health Shrine. I need to use 4 Health Shrines and then I get, and then I just get, like, more health. Ow, stop hitting me. Ow. Stop, like, punching me. Where's the way out of here? Get in here. Get over here. Nobody cares what you do. I didn't do it. Man, this is just fun. Oh, it's close.
Kill him!
I did not kill him.
You'll be fine. You'll just have to drink the straw for a while.
Exactly. I didn't do it. I wanted melee damage, and melee damage is going out.
Thanks. Hope you enjoyed it as much as we did.
Stop looking at the phone.
Word from Winston. We need to discuss business.
Winston!
I don't have any business with Winston.
Everyone has business with Winston. You're gonna pay us, you understand?
Go tell Winston to stick a back toy up his ass. Hey, fellas! These troops are moving in on the territory. Come on, guys! Kick his ass! Try to beat him! Come on! Sit back down!
So did you have a message for Winston?
He's obviously better than Dog Eyes. Please give him this payment from me.
What's your...
We're almost done, but let's check over there. Hey, look at that guy. Look at that old man. That ain't no fun.
Give me this back.
Give me your phone.
Give me this. Sorry, but I'm gonna need it.
Hello? Who's on?
跟着我吵啊！
Okay. Loading. 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 It's loading. I break the game. I think the game's broken. I mean, I can go to this, but... For a second, I thought it was gonna work. Anyways, guys, I'm back. The game kind of broke. It kind of broke. So yeah. I don't know what I should do next. Guys, tell me what, well, never mind, you tell me. Because you're probably going to ask me for a game that I don't have, and, well, soon I will be getting 2 games, that I already had, but one of them I'm going to complete, because I'm close to completing them, and then I'm just going to play them over again. But for now, I'm just going to stop this episode here. And as always, goodbye. And like and subscribe. Because if you like this video, in the next minute, you will be receiving $1 million. That's right. Like this video, and you'll be receiving $1 million to spread through your family. And then after that, if you spread it through your family, you will be receiving a new Bugatti. No scam at all. Please like this video, and have a good day, and have a good life.